Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Journey. I'm your travel buddy for today, the one who walks slowly, talks softly, and still manages to trip over small rocks. Today we're heading to one of Canmore's most peaceful spots, the beautiful Rundle Forebay Reservoir. It's a calm, scenic area tucked right at the base of the mountains, where the water reflects the sky like a mirror. This place isn't just a great photo stop, it's a favorite for locals who love paddleboarding, walking, or simply sitting by the water, watching the mountains show off their reflections. The Forebay actually started as part of a hydroelectric project years ago, but now it's become one of Canmore's most loved outdoor getaways, a mix of history, engineering, and pure natural beauty. So grab a warm drink, put on your cozy socks, and join me for this quiet walk along the Rundle Forebay. The clouds are hanging low over the mountains today, wrapping everything in that soft, misty glow. It's one of those calm autumn days where even the mountains seem to be taking a break. The air feels cool and crisp, just the right kind of chill that makes you wish you'd brought an extra coffee instead of pretending your jacket was enough. Along the path, the trees are glowing in shades of gold and copper. Some leaves are still hanging on proudly, while others have already given up and gone for a swim in the reservoir. Even under the cloudy sky, Rundle Forebay looks beautiful. The water almost looks like glass, gently reflecting the colors of fall. There's something peaceful about this kind of weather, no harsh sunlight, just soft light and quiet scenery. This place actually has a bit of a story behind it. Rundle Forebay was built in the early 1900s as part of a hydroelectric project storing water to generate power for nearby towns. Over time, nature took over, and now it's less about turbines and more about tranquility. Who would have thought a piece of old engineering would end up being one of Canmore's most peaceful hangouts? Maybe that's what they call a happy accident, or just mountain magic. And that's the end of today's peaceful walk, my friends. The clouds may be heavy and the air cold enough to make your nose tingle, but there's something magical about days like this. The trail around Rundle Forebay feels even calmer in this weather. Each step, each breath, a reminder that beauty isn't just about sunshine. If you ever get the chance, come explore Canmore and Alberta during the fall. The colors, the crisp air, the mountain views, it's like nature invites you to slow down and savor the moment. So, before I freeze my fingers completely, let's wrap it up. If you enjoyed this calm journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It truly helps the channel grow. Drop a comment and let me know where I should wander next. I promise I'll try not to trip over any more rocks, but no guarantees. Thank you for joining me on the quiet journey. Stay warm, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Calm, cold, and absolutely worth it.